To install the ByteEditor package, you need to first set up your Umbraco project. The process starts on the Umbraco website, where you can install Umbraco templates. You can find the link to this page in our instructions. To install the templates, simply copy the command line provided for Umbraco templates, open the command prompt on your device, and paste the copied text there. Within a few seconds, the templates will be installed on your device. For the next step, please close the command prompt window as it won't be needed anymore. To continue, let's open Visual Studio 2022 and create a new project. To create a new project, click on Create New Project located on the menu on the left side of the screen. In the search field, type in Umbraco to find the right project type, which should be Umbraco Project, Umbraco HQ. Once you have selected the correct project type, click the Next button. Now you need to configure your project by naming it and choosing a location. You can either use the suggested location or choose your own. Once you have made your choice, click Next. On the Additional Information window, leave the default settings as they are and click the Create button. Congratulations, your project has been created. Our next step is to create a database for our new project. To get started, launch Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and connect to your server or local host. Next, right-click on the database option in the menu on the left side of the screen and select New Database from the drop-down menu. Provide a name for your database, which can be the same as your project name. Once you've named your database, it will be created and you can proceed to run your new project. To run your project, open Visual Studio and click on the IIS Express button located on the top menu. A browser window will open, and the project may take a few minutes to run. After you start the project, an Umbraco install window will appear. Here, you should create your login credentials for the admin panel by entering your name, email, and password. Please ensure that you save these credentials as you will need them frequently while working with your website. When you are ready, click on the Change Database button. Choose the SQL Server in the Database Type drop-down. In the Server field, type localhost and enter the name of your database in the Database Name field. Make sure to mark the checkboxes for using integrated authentication and trusting the database certificate. Once done, click on the Install button to proceed. Please be aware that this process may take a few minutes. Once completed, you will be directed to the Umbraco login page where you can access your website's admin panel using the login credentials you previously set up. Additionally, you can view the new tables that were created in your database through SQL Server Management Studio. After starting your Umbraco project, the next step is to add the ByteEditor Site Builder package to your project. To add the package, open Visual Studio and click on Tools in the navigation bar. Then, choose NuGet Package Manager and select Manage NuGet Packages for solution. In the search field, type ByteEditor. Two options will appear. Choose the main package and select the project where you want to apply it. Finally, click the Install button. Once the package is installed, you can run the project and see the final result. To access the admin panel of your website, add /Umbraco to the end of your website's URL. Log in using your previously set credentials to start using ByteEditor Site Builder.